How to archive emails and free up space in Outlook. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can archive emails and free up space in Outlook. So let's get right into it. How do you do this? The first step, or the first thing to do, is to log in into your Outlook account. Alright, so once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the Outlook page where you can see some options. You can see the favorite option, then inbox and sent items and drafts. You can see add favorites, you can see folders, groups, etc. Now, once you can see all of this, the next step or the next thing to do is to go ahead and move to the inbox page and show you on the inbox page. All right, so once you're on the inbox page, you see all of the emails you have here. Currently, this is the only email that I have, and it is unhard, so that means that I don't have any email. So if you want to, for example, archive all the emails you have, all you need to do is to click on this options button in here. Then once you click on this option button here, you would see more options, that is to select all. Now this one cannot be selected because, like I said, it is an ad. All right, so all you need to do is to select all of the emails that you would like to archive. Once you selected them, at the top part of the screen here, you'll see that there are some options like delete, archive, report, sweep. Right, so you all need to do just to click on archive, and then you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to archive this email. Click OK, and just like that, those emails will be archived and they will no longer appear on your inbox page, such that your inbox page would be free and there will be extra space for you. All right, I hope that is clear. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.